I'm Aaron Graber with Ventrac, and in this video, we're going to show you a school system using a Ventrac 4520 and trencher to install an electric line on an athletic field. Right now, this school system is building a brand new athletic field, and they had a need to run an electric line from the scoreboard to the dugout. The difficulty in this job is that it's actually going in over top of the existing area where a building used to stand, so there's a lot of debris underneath. Another important detail on this job is that there's been a significant amount of rain the past few weeks, and this area especially has been going through freeze-thaw as well, which makes it even more difficult. As you'll see in the video, you can get the job done by digging the trench, but you don't have to create more work for yourself by digging holes and ruts elsewhere that you have to go back and fix later. This school system already owns a 4500 tractor, and they just acquired a 4520 machine as well. They own a small fleet of basic attachments for everyday maintenance, and they're renting the trencher for this specialty job. The obvious advantages of this are that when you do rent the attachment, you're still operating it on the same machine. So your operator's familiar with the controls, it's easier to understand, and there's obviously a cost benefit too, because you're saving time over contracting the entire job out. The final part of this job is going back and using the straight blade on the front of the Ventrac to close that trench back up. It provides a few benefits. First of all, the operator has the best line of sight to the job at hand, so they can see where that dirt is being moved to. And because of that, they can both close the trench easier and faster, but also what's left is less dirt and less of a mound at the end. Having that trench closed up and as clean as possible makes it as easy as it can be on the rest of the crews that come in to work later. Thank you for watching this video on the Ventrac 4520 trencher and blade. If you're interested in this equipment, make sure you visit our website at ventrac.com. If you're also a school system that could benefit from a Ventrac and the versatility shown in this video, on our website you'll find a dealer locator. You can put in your zip code, find out which dealer is nearest to you, and you can call and ask them for a demo of a machine just like this. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.